Thinking of starting your own painting and decorating business in Malaysia? With the property and renovation industry growing rapidly, this is the perfect time to turn your skills into a profitable venture. Painting and decorating businesses are always in demand, from new housing projects to office renovations, and even homeowners refreshing their spaces. Your services can range from simple wall painting to custom finishes, wallpaper installation, and interior decorating. To get started, you'll need to register your business with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, also known as SSM. Depending on your scale, you can start as a sole proprietorship or set up a private limited company. You may also require a business license from your local authority. Plan your startup costs, which include tools, paints, brushes, rollers, ladders, safety equipment, and marketing. Building strong connections with suppliers and contractors can give you a competitive edge. With the right skills, creativity, and dedication, your painting and decorating business can thrive in Malaysia's booming property market. Let 3E Accounting Malaysia help you with business registration, licensing, and compliance, so you can focus on transforming spaces beautifully.